Assalamu alaikum friends. My name is Munib and today we are going to discuss about a new project. That name is Lunaland. It's a new project and its future is very good. So guys, the vision of the Lunaland coin is a digital currency at the dawn of a new era. Lunaland LLN is a digital currency that will be store of value that offers the protection from real world inflation as the world goes on the money printing spree. We encourage liquidity with no tax trading by rewarding early adopters and putting 100% back into the liquidity pools. So guys, the mission of the Lunaland is the reward our community as we grow with our unique contract features like the hyper deflation. Lunaland will burn coin supply until we reach 1 lunar distance in coins. It's almost 400 million coins, a burn rate of 99.96% from the initial pool of 1 trillion coins, reduce coin supply, resulting in upward price momentum. So guys, if you read more about the hyperdeflations, just click on the read more button and you will read more about this. So guys, burn and earn. So guys, in the burn and earn, Lunaland is accessible to all with excellent return potential. Numerous mechanism will reward early adopter and holders. So guys, it's the weekly burn cycle will burn 90% of tokens and distribute 10% of burn to holders. So guys, if you want to know more about the LLN coin burn and earn, so just click on the read more option and you will read more about this. So guys, it's a weekly burn cycle. So in the weekly burn cycle, the LLN coin will have weekly increasing burn cycles which will be redeemed and announced 3 hours before burn. So click on read more and you will read more about the weekly burn cycles. So guys, in here via Lunaland, so a digital currency harnessing the power of the blockchain, so infinite money printing, a financial system skewed towards the elites and an absence of reward for the 99%. Something is broken. Cryptocurrency and blockchain can change that. Lunaland is about investment potential for everyone. So if you want to buy the LLN coin, so just click on that and you will just directly come here. So guys, here welcome to the Lunaland pre-sale. So this is a welcome aboard the mission to the moon astronaut. This is the official Lunaland pre-sale event where you have an exclusive chance to book your tickets to the moon at fire sale prices. So guys, you can read more about here like the Lunaland is a hyper burn coin with an initial supply of 1 trillion and a target supply 400 million. 1 lunar distance in meters, we set the supply high so you can buy low and as we burn you earn. Now alright, so let's get your tickets to the moon booked. Follow the simple steps below. So guys, these are the steps like set up wallet. Step 1. So in step 1, LLN coin is a BEP20 token. So prior to purchase, please ensure you have a wallet handy that can store Binance Smart Chain BSC token. We recommended the popular MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Guys, you can use both of them, but if you want to use another wallet like which have the BSC token which can be accepted, so you can use also that. And they also said that we will use the public wallet address to send you your Lunaland once you have complete your purchase. So guys, in steps 2, just click on the sign up option and after that put it your name, email, BSC smart wallet address, and then put your refer wallet address, and at the end just choose an option that where how did you hear about them. So just select the Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, whatever you want, and then just click on the submit option. So like this you are going to buy the Lunaland coins. So guys, This is the tokenomics. The initial supply of the LLN coin is almost 1 trillion, and the target supply is 400 million. So they were marketing in 40 million, and the supply burn is almost 99.96%. Guys, this is the white paper of Lunaland coin, and is the BSC scan token contract, and is the audit past. You can just click on the C report and check out the audit past report. So guys, this is the roadmap of LLN coin. Is the flight path to the moon, and it's a 3rd July 2021 launch. Lunaland of PancakeSwap, further ecosystem development, expansion of marketing campaigns to drive coin adoption. So in Q2 it's almost launch, and in Q3 launch on DEX. So in Q3 almost is in August 2021 listing on CoinMarketCap, CMC listing on CoinGecko, initiate development of Lunaland online store and app, target supply reach burn complete. So in the third option, as we see, in September 2021 listing Lunaland on additional DEX platform, merchandise partnership for Lunaland store, and the next step in Q4 is almost launch Lunaland store, merchandise partnerships in place, and in the next 2022 and beyond listing of centralized exchanges, Binance, Kraken and others. Binance Kraken is the most popular and good exchanges which are most secure. So guys, in the Q3 here it is centralized, and in the Q4 they are going to launch the shop. So guys, in FAQ frequently asked questions about the Lunaland mission, just ask any type of questions here. So like in the first, we are going to click here, how do I buy Lunaland? So guys, they all describe here that how you are going to buy the LLN coin. Just click on here. I already described this. And in the second option, will dev tokens be locked? So yes, Lunaland includes a lock features, meaning dev tokens will be locked or burned before any DEX launch. Lunaland is rug proof. So in the next, when will Lunaland LLN launch on DEX? They aim to launch on DEX on the 20th July 2021. There is an Easter egg around this date, rewards offered for solving. So at the end is the team doxed? Yes, the team is doxed from the start. Click on mission control to access team info, including links to all our social media profiles. So guys, this is the email of LLN coin. So if you want to contact with them to ask anything about the project, and their base is London, these are the social links, and you can guys subscribe them if you want to receive the new updates about the Lunaland. So guys, this LLN coin start a big bounty. So if you want to join that bounty, you will get a good amount of free coins. So guys, this is the bounty of the LLN coins, and it's almost $150,000 pool. So it's a 4-week duration, guys. So what is Lunaland? They described LLN coin about here, and guys, these are the social links like website and thread, Twitter, Telegram, Discord, Reddit, YouTube and Instagram. So guys, you must to join the Telegram group, this and this. And in the bounty and token details, it's almost a total of almost 3 million LLN tokens, what's almost 1,50,000 is located to the bounty pool. So one LLN coin price is almost 0.005, and rewards will be distributed 2 weeks after end of the campaign. So KYC verification is not required, and the bounty starts from June 29th 2021 and will last 4 weeks. So guys, this is the schedule. The 1 week, first week start from the 29th 6 to 5/7, and like this. In the last week is almost 27 and 26 to 7. So guys, this is the bounty allocation is almost written 30% Facebook, 20% signature, 20% Instagram, 10% article, 10%, and then the video is almost 10%. So guys, these are general rules. You must to read these rules and follow them. So guys, this is the proof of authentication, like Bitcoin Talk username. Put your Bitcoin Talk username, then after that link to your Bitcoin Talk profile link, name of the campaign in which you want to participate, like Facebook, Twitter, signature, Instagram, article or video, and at the end just put it your BEP20 wallet address. Guys, the Twitter campaign, so in the Twitter campaign you must to have almost 300 minimum followers, and you will get almost 302,000 followers. You will get almost stacks so 1, and if you have good amount of followers like 5,001 followers, you will get almost 5 stacks per weeks. Guys, you must to follow their page, and after make 4 retweets per week and official Lunaland Twitter profile. And guys, you must to use these hashtags in your post. So guys, this is the weekly report, like Twitter profile URL. Okay, and then after that you must to put your retweet and tweet links like this and submit it in your reply option. So guys, this is the form, registration form. You must to fill that. So guys, this is the form, Twitter form of the LLN coin. So just put it your Bitcoin Talk username, Bitcoin Talk profile link, proof authentication link, and after that put it your Twitter profile link, Twitter audit link, and the number of Twitter followers which you have. Just put a number here, and then at the end just put the BEP20 wallet address here, and then you are going to click on submit, and in this campaign you are be eligible. So after that just check your name in the spreadsheet campaign. So in the Facebook, if you have good amount of friends, then you will get a good amount of stacks here. So guys, if you have good amount of friends, then you will get good amount of stacks here. So you must to follow the page of the Facebook, and these hashtags you need to must be used in your posts. Make 4 reposts per week from the official Lunaland Facebook profile, and make 2 posts per week with useful information. So guys, now maximum 1 tweet and 2 retweets per day will be counted. So guys, you are going to submit the Facebook rule like week 1 and June 29, 2020 and to July 5, 2021, and just put your share link here, and the post link here. So guys, this is the form. You must need to fill the form to participate in the Facebook campaign. So guys, in the signature campaign, if you have good amount of rank, then you will get good amount of stacks here. And this is the avatar, and these are the signature that your account is a full member. So then guys, just put the code of the full member here. So guys, this is the Instagram campaign. If you have good amount of followers, then you will get good amount of stacks here. And this is the weekly submission report, and this is the Instagram page. So guys, the form, and this is a spreadsheet. The article campaign, just write in 100% unique article, and it's almost a minimum of 500 words. You can also use their images like logo, graphics, and other published on their websites and the social media. So one participant just allowed just a single articles, and it's almost least article must have at least 3 active links, including website, telegram, etc. So guys, published article must include at least minimum of 2 images of the project. So guys, this is the spreadsheet, link of the spreadsheet campaign, and is the form. So you must to fill the form when you write an article, and check it your name in the article campaign. So guys, this is a video campaign. If you make a good video, a good quality video, you will get good amount of stacks also here. So channel must at least 1 month old, and at least they have 100 plus subscribers. Video must be unique and original, and guys, you must to use the graphics and other things of their website. So, and the second thing, one participant just make a single video, and the video must be in English. They are not going to approve in other languages. So guys, this is the form. You must need to fill the form to participate in the video campaign, and this is the link of the video campaign spreadsheet. So guys, you must to complete the proof of authentication. Like this is the sample, like Bitcoin tag username I already told you, and then after put it your Bitcoin tag profile link, and name of the campaign like Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, whatever you want to join, and at the end you are going to put it your PP20 wallet address. I hope guys you like the video. If you have any type of question about this campaign, then you can ask in the comment. See you, bye bye.